Yo guys, what's going on? It's Caden here again for another vid. Today we're going to talk about how to capture clean car audio in cinematic videos and everything like that. In this video, I'm going to break down the microphone I use, how I set it up, and how I deliver it in post so that we get the clearest audio and filming for just, I mean, who doesn't love to hear sick cars, you know? So I got my Civic Si in the background there. I couldn't tell you what exhaust is on it. When I bought it from the dealership, it just had, I think, it just had a different muffler on it. It sounds good. It's a little bit louder. It's not anything crazy, but it'll be a good way to just show you guys exactly what I do. So to start off with the microphones I use, they are the Rode Wireless Pros. And the really cool thing about these microphones is that they record in 32-bit float. And what that means is that the audio will never peak and become distorted and just sound really crappy. These things are really good, but however, they are on the more expensive side of microphones. And ironically, I'm using one right now. I'm mic'd up just because I forgot my external mic at home. So we're mic'd up, baby. Alrighty, so the three things you're gonna need is obviously the wireless microphone. You're gonna need some tape and also just a external like audio little mic that just hooks onto the audio recorder. Now what I like to do is throw the microphone into the trunk and that holds that in there. And then what I do is I'll route the external mic kind of right above the tailpipe, kind of like right here. And then that's actually where I'm gonna tape the microphone onto the vehicle. And you wanna tape this sucker up pretty good because you don't really want it to move around on you, because otherwise it's gonna like bounce around and then you're gonna get all these clunks and clinks. And now after that, you have your microphone all wired up, which is nice, right above the exhaust pipe. And you're gonna wanna click record on the internal microphone, so then you can get clips like this. Dude, it sounds so good. Like, it sounds sick, man. And especially the red limiter tap. And it's like almost induction, like it re-sucks in. It's so sick, man. I love it. All right, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, a subscribe down below, comment what you thought, if it helped you. And until next time, I hope you guys have a good one. Enjoy your night, and I'll talk to you soon.